Okay, this is the varsity work. It's the last 32 counts. So going into that, all right, this is right after Jaden's solo. So you're getting your new flag. All right, so you got your new flag, however you're facing, all right? You're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. You could probably hold it like that, okay? And then you're going to do like this, turn this hand over off there, so keep it like that, sorry. Turn into a skater turn into that, okay? Then you're going to toss 1, 2, that's 2, okay? Then you're going to go around 3 and 4. Sorry, I'm here, okay? Then you're going to turn, you're going to come up 5. This is probably going to be just one count, 5. Then you're going to turn 6 and 7, 8. Okay? Now, that's everybody. Now, then they're going to break up into A's and B's. So A's are going to go 1, 2, almost fell over. All right, you get there. 1, 2. Okay, then you're going to turn 3 and 4. Then you're just going to do a bottom stir 5, 6. Then you're going to come around 7, 8. Okay, B's are going to go like this. You're going to do a bottom stir first. 1, 2. Then you're going to come up 3, 4. Then you're going to turn 5 and 6. And then I don't know if I want us all to come up 7, 8, or if I want you guys to just come around 7, 8. We'll have to see when we're all together. Okay, 7, 8. So you're either going to end up facing front or facing back, depending on if you're going to be an A or a B. All right, that's the first part. And then I'm going to show you the next part, which is A and B's also.